Welcome to our AutoCAD tutorial. Today, we're embarking on a journey to create a bevel-end nozzle. Let's unlock the power of AutoCAD and get started. To begin, draw a circle using the AC command and a rectangle with the rectangle command. Ensure the rectangle is perfectly centered. Now, let's change our perspective. Switch to the side view by selecting the corner cube and adjust the UCS to the front view for a clearer workspace. With your shapes in place, it's time to add depth. Copy the circle downward using the CO command and elevate the rectangle upwards with Move tool. To add a dynamic angle, rotate the rectangle using their command. Duplicate the rectangle and move it upwards, readying it for lofting. Now let's blend these shapes seamlessly. Use the loft command to merge the circle with the rectangle, and then the rectangle with the upper rectangle. As we build up our design, extrude the circle using the extrude command to give it depth and substance. To unify the elements, join all the objects into one using the union command, ensuring a cohesive design. Lastly, refine your creation by removing the inner part using the shell command, giving your nozzle a hollow center. And there you have it, your bevel-end nozzle. A testament to your AutoCAD prowess is now complete. If you found this tutorial insightful, please consider giving it a thumbs up, sharing it with your fellow designers, and subscribing to our channel for more exciting AutoCAD tutorials. Thank you for joining us on this creative journey.